The client is an aviation organization who is utilizing a game-based simulations to prepare and train its staff for piloting an aircraft or typical conventional methods of coaching to increase the efficiency of the training, and they've accomplished this by integrating virtual reality with a Leap Motion device. However, just one Leap Motion device was employed in their training, and since the range of the Leap Motion devices is lower, the field of view for virtual reality was circumscribed, and the trainees' hand movements were restricted to a particular distance and resulted in high uncertainty of replicating the simulated experience in the actual real world. So, to overcome this constraint, we were bestowed with the task of integrating multiple Leap Motion devices to increase the accuracy and the field of view in virtual reality. To overcome the present limitations of this client game simulation, we implemented a function that determines how many hands are there within the efficacious range of the Leap Motion devices and capture those hand data. We also implemented a logic that determines the confidence value of each captured hand predicted on the deviation of each finger, which supplementally developed a function that eliminates the hand data with lesser hand confidence values, thus providing a better hand outputs. So we have additionally employed a program that grabs all the hand points from all the devices and relocates them relatively with the master device, depending on the distance and the angles between those devices. Our implementation provides a more immersive experience for the trainees with little no risk of uncertainty and disorientation in transferring their simulated experience into the real world. Since the functions are written dynamically, any number of Leap Motion devices can be connected without any changes to the program from clients themselves. 4 Leap Motion devices were tested with our functions, which covered a seater's user's entire reach. Coming to the benefits of this, by using multiple Leap Motion devices, we are increasing the area of hand tracking region for better AR/VR experience. Device synchronization, minimizing the relative offsets between the hand for smoother and better transitions between devices. And last but not the least, the accuracy part. With the implementation of confidence function, only the best hand data is sent to the simulation among all captured hands, thus providing a greater accuracy, which was highly appreciated by the client.